Why is it I had to hit this thing twice? So, but I just realized that I haven't done a video on Nasdaq because it was a crash. Well, let's see. Basically, a crash. It started back here. Slipped off the harmonic. Oh yeah, there's the top. There it goes. That's a target. That's an upper target. Missed that missed closing on the harmonic, right? And that failed. So small one did get something. Small one hit target one right there. And that was that strong push. When you see this break in such a fashion, also it was already kind of foregone conclusion. Like, okay, you had this big like this yank, all right. Then you had a harmonic that's leaning, that's like down here to up here, slanted back, larger size, stretched out. I mean, it's weak. It's very weak. Um, that one hit. I mean, that one missed, right? Which one is it? It's one of these. This one hit. That one. That's the one. Yeah, yeah. This should have been up here. So after this point, it should come up to this point, but failed to do that, and then it slipped below this point here, and then pushed and closed the candle. My God, was this was a signal right here? This was that right there is. I mean, you see me, you guys see me trade this strategy so many times. Just you know, um, you can do a sort of brush. Mm. This one right here, okay, you got the push right, but then it has a long wick. Wick gets filled. The candle closes outside of this point, this end point here. That is your go-to signal. Okay. And then there's actually, let's see if I can, hold on. I forgot to hit the play button. There's a double top. Whoops. Uh, how do you turn this off, man? All right. So there's a double um, top right here, and then there's a neckline, quite a large one. I mean, even if you didn't play what I play, my RSI strategy where I'm looking at the harmonics break, right? You could just simply have waited for the double top neckline. Okay, this from here to here is the neckline to just crack and then retest. I mean, if you can come in here if you want to, higher risk, catch the second candle is better because this one had closed outside of this point. Then it had to retest. See that spike? It did a retest, failed the retest, just signal to and that close. It's a solid signal to sell, right? To short it. Um, that's why we got some people in the contest that are up 100%. They shorted Nasdaq. Um, Shorted Nasdaq. So, but I mean, sorry about that. Excuse me. We had another one. I mean, even if you didn't get that one, you have another one that did it again. Another signal. Tried to come back into the harmonic, right? Failed. Did a retest, right? Failed again. I mean, there's so many opportunities. I mean, and then on that pullback and make yourself 5%, like right here. I would have been like thinking here because this is a popular point where prices turn around, like right off that button of the harmonic. That's a popular spot. It didn't even get there. It's like stop here. Oh, it stopped on this one. Hmm. Wow, it was pushing, man. But that was it. That was it. That was it. Wow. 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 When it gets the average Joe talking about it, it's a big drop. I'm like, people telling me about it, don't even talk about it. Man. I'm like, what in the world? Like, what you don't even? Those are the people that are bottom of the pile that traders are making money on. So, they're just the late to the table. But so going forward, what do you see for Nasdaq? What do you see for the market? What I see? Oh, how do I? So that was that breakout way back, 2023. Um, I had called a target back at 16,000, right, and it broke past that. I didn't trade it again. Um, got this here. Let's see. I wonder what this one says. Let's see what this one says. All right, so scrap that line. Another. It would have to be down here to say, hey, take an opportunity. Um, Stop and getting stopped here. Um, well, target is 10,000. Well, the first target is really 13,536. The next one is 11,698. 10,710. So we just got all this to go through. I see anything. Trying to think what other ones I use on the two. Oh, slip below the 2.5. Well, this is I'll say from here. Oh, slip below the 3.23 too. Okay. Yeah, this is it. Like it's not going past this point. It's it. It's gonna come back up, but it's as far as past this point, it's done for a while. It's gonna come back down to here, 15,945. And we'll see what it does from that point. So we get a short target of 13%, 13.5%. Yeah, so that's I'm gonna leave it at that, and I'll see you. Peace. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to KOFXS. Also, if you want to join the chat, it is now open. Oops, the thing's in the way. All right, that's how you get to the Telegram chat if you want to join the chat. If you got questions for me or anything like that. All right, see you on the next one. Peace.